Hello, my name is Harish Anand and I am teaching maths for grade 3 students. Last December, when I heard about KTN Digital School, I really wanted to help. I thought it's a really nice initiative to help fellow Indians. I am basically not from a teaching profession, I am an engineer, but still I have a passion for teaching and for sharing my knowledge. So I took up teaching for grade 3 students, and initially I had some doubt actually how this will work out, this digital kind of thing, because so even in case of regular schools, teachers find it very difficult to control the students. Now in this digital school, teacher is sitting somewhere and students are sitting somewhere in front of their computer or mobile phone. Now it has been 6 months and I can say that we have done an exceptional job. I would like to appreciate the efforts from the fellow teachers, the administrators who have controlled this thing, coordinators, and parents as well. Parents, they have been sitting with the kids throughout the class, and also the kids. Like they have been very proactive, especially in grade 3 math subjects. They have been responding very quickly, very active. They have been doing homeworks very promptly. So this has been a very nice journey for me. My only request to all other fellow Indians who are with their kids in Korea is like, if you have not joined, you need to try this once. All the teachers are following the NCRT textbook as it is, from first chapter to last chapter. So even if a kid is going back to India and if they are joining the next grade, they will not feel the gap between the education system here and back in India, because what KTN Digital School is trying is to fill up that gap. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Yutika Patel. I teach mathematics to grade 2 students. Um, this is a wonderful opportunity to thank the entire KTN online team, our KTNians, the core team, Shanu sir, the support team, the kids, the parents, and all our wonderful teachers. It's been a fun experience, a wonderful experience with all of you. It's a great journey till now, and I'm sure it's going to be a great journey ahead too. The students are really bright, they're wonderful, hardworking, putting their best foot forward, um, always curious to learn new things, and it's been really fun with them. They have been really interactive, asking you good questions, and they have been learning quite well. Also, KTN Online follows CBSE syllabus, and here in South Korea we either have a Korean syllabus or an international syllabus, and I feel the CBSE syllabus, when combined with these international syllabus or the Korean syllabus, is a great combination. So it's a wonderful combination, they would have a practical knowledge, as well as they would have a clear concept, when these syllabus are combined together. So I feel it's a good opportunity for the kids to learn CBSE syllabus too, with their school syllabus. Also, mathematics is all about concepts, all about logic, and uh, it's going to help them in future, whether they go into a commerce stream, whether they go into a art stream or a science stream, or they take up architecture, or they take up robotics. Mathematics is a wonderful subject to study. It will be really helpful for them in future, and it will be great for them, and they are really taking a lot of interest in it. So I'm sure they're gonna do great in future. great in their coming entrance exams, where they have to um, crack some difficult questions of mathematics. The syllabus is such that it's going to help them a lot. uh, I would like to also thank the students, the parents who are 100% invested in the classes, who are putting their best foot forward, and have been really cooperative, and the kids, they have their online school due to the COVID virus, and to novel coronavirus, and they regularly come in the evening for this KTN online course, and doing quite well. So I'm really happy, the way things are going ahead. So thanks a lot, kids and parents, for this wonderful support. Last but not the least, parents and also the students, they have been very lovely, very generous with their encouraging words. They have been showering on us some wonderful words, and encouraging us a lot. So I would like to thank them. This has been really helpful. This encouragement will definitely make us do better and better. So thanks for all your effort, all your support and appreciation. Take care. Bye bye.
Hello everyone. Hello teachers and all coordinators. I am Rajiv's mom, Monica. My son is 3rd grade in KTN Online School. Before he is going to elementary school, 3rd grade. Now he is joining the KTN Online School. So we are very happy because he is going to Korean school and he know everything in Korean. And so after he joining the KTN Online School, so I am very happy and satisfied. The teacher teach very really good. Teacher Vimola and Harish and Amita, they are really nice and work very hard for kids. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for all. I wish and I pray the KTN Online School get more success. Thank you so much, and we are very happy for this school, KTN Online. Please continue the schools and get a more success. We are with you.
Hello everyone, my name is Amita Karan and I'm associated with KTN as a parent as well as a teacher. I am taking English for grade 3 and Hindi for all the classes. Actually, KTN initiated its online classes for kids staying in Korea from India, but it is not limited to only them. It could also benefited for those kids who are in India. As we all know, KTN teachers follow CBSE syllabus through NCERT books, and it's always online classes, and most of the classes are in evening. So it could not only benefit Indian kids staying in Korea, but also it will be useful for kids in India following CBSE curriculum. KTN online classes are all children benefited and as per their comfortable timings. Apart from teaching, it also practices complete curriculum like taking quarter and half yearly exams. Currently, they are taking online test due to the corona, but maybe in future they will also take on center examination, which is a really big challenge for parents and children staying in South Korea. As we all know, the South Korea education system and India education system is entirely different. KTN also provide other activities like Bharatnatyam and Kuchipudi. My daughters Anshi and Sohami are also associated to these classes. They really find it fun being part of these extra classes. I really feel great about being part of KTN online school. KTN kids are doing great effort for all the subjects. They being always punctual, complete their homework and putting good efforts toward their each subjects. I feel KTN kids also find it online classes fun and they feel it's really interesting. Even KTN teachers are also putting a lot of their hard work toward the classes. I wish good luck to all the KTN children and long way ahead to KTN online school. Thank you so much.
Hi, I'm Anuba. I'm Ananya's mother. She's studying in grade 1 of KTN CBSE syllabus coaching. I want to thank the whole KTN family, which includes the volunteer teachers, the coordinators, and the organizers, especially. The thank you for providing my daughter such a brilliant platform so that she can enhance her education. This is keeping her occupied, otherwise she would be on phone after coming back home, which is very good, which is avoiding her to use gadgets. It's also enhancing her education apart from school, and she's improved a lot because of KTN teachers efforts. They're putting brilliant amount of knowledge and efforts to help the children perform very well. Thank you so much, all of you. Thank you, Mr. Syed. Thank you, Mr. Haribalan, and all the people who are the founding fathers of this, KTN coaching group. And coming to the volunteer program, I'm really happy and extremely satisfied with the kids' performance as well as their approach towards my class. I'm teaching grade 4 and grade 6. They're really smart. I'm hoping to be a volunteer teacher in future as well and part of the KTN family as well. Thank you so much.
Hello, good evening to everyone. This is Shivakumar Subramanian. I am one of the teacher in KTN Online Digital School. Our school is running very well. I am taking EVS class for grade 5. In my class, Sarvesh and Sagana are studying. They are really doing very well. And their parents also giving more support and motivated them. I really thank to KTN Online Digital School to giving these wonderful opportunities to take the classes. I wish them move on the next stage. Thank you.